There's a Siomo on the branch over there above the slide. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gray. It's Wibigit Siomo. This is the kestrel that has been coming for the sparrows and like the little seepsock that we have in the yard. You see he's eating a bird. He got one. Oh, the poor little seepsock. Oh, he's just tearing. They do that. They tear the feathers out and they'll rip the heart out. Sad. We're going to have to say some prayer because that little bird just lost his life there. It's no longer an Awani. I'm just going to keep recording because I think it's interesting to watch the Siomo, the hawks, bird of prey. I think it's interesting to watch them even when they're doing something terrible. Oh, poor bird. Or poor little seeps, because it's one seeps. So that's the kestrel. They're not really super big like a hawk, but they're a little bit smaller. Oh, it just flew away, and it took its bird with them. We'll go see how many feathers are out there, and we'll call them Migwin. Anyway, quick little video for you, even if it's a little bit sad. Just wanted to show you the Siomo because I have been talking about this Siomo in a bunch of the videos, and it's kind of more of a blue color. I didn't say blue, I said gray, because this one looked a little more gray for some reason. I actually wonder if that was a different Siomo. I think that might have been a different type of hawk, but I couldn't get a good view of it either. Hopefully this video did, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely share the channel, share the video. Now the Miqua is up there checking out the poor dead seeps. Oh, poor seeps. I hope you enjoyed the video, and Kik is Elmo.